Good morning, everyone. So I didn't vlog yesterday, but we just went shopping and I got a few things, so I'll show you that when I come home. But we're actually going shopping again today at the outlet that we were supposed to go to like 2 days ago. My cousins were at SeaWorld yesterday, so we didn't really spend much time with them at all. We didn't even see them. So today will be fun because everyone's going shopping.
I remember how you said that sometimes it gets just a little hard being home. The sounds stuck in my bed and memories in my head. Love, I've been trying to let this whole thing go. See, it was late, I dropped you home cause we were sober. And you said, well, why don't you stay?
This is my third one today.
I said, love, it's just a little late for you to be seeing me.
Okay, so I tanned for a bit and then I was like, you know what, I should go work out because I didn't today. And tomorrow we're going to the beach, so I won't be able to work out unless I do like a beach workout or something. So I have the gym all to myself. I'm gonna do a quick I'll do a bit of cardio and then I'll do some arms because I did legs yesterday and I don't want to do legs again.
I've been around a time or two, and I know a lot of boys like you.
Let's go and never look back. You're giving me a heart attack. You know you better think fast. So baby, let's go and never look back. Girl, I know we just met, but I think that we could be the best. If we never ever try, then we'll never ever know. Just say, come on, baby, let's go. You know you better think fast. So baby, let's go and never look back.
Hey guys, so I'm done my workout. It was so good. I did like a circuit and I included some like sprints on the treadmill. That's why I'm like exhausted. I'm gonna go change into my swimsuit. I'm just gonna go jump in the pool. It's gonna feel so good.
Do you see the ways that we've grown apart? I don't like it at all.
The weather is so unpredictable here, I swear. Like it was raining and then it was sunny. I don't even know. They closed the pool for a bit, but we're still swimming and then we're probably gonna go eat supper.
Do you see the ways that we've gone too far? Drifting off of our course. Do you see the ways that we let plastic cover the ocean like snow? But snow, it always melts with the seasons change and the summers up and one's cold water. One was up.
We're playing pool. We're not that good. It's me and my cousin.
Before. Oh, how much is left to burn? Lately I've been worried. I don't know where to it is that I do belong. Lately
So it is 9 in the morning and we are all going to the beach. So excited.
I've been too busy to smell the bottle brush, just chasing laps around the sun. And I sat here and cried, so running from my eyes, just wondering how the fuck will I end up with you? And you just laugh and smile, shake your head and remind me that all good.
So we arrived at the beach. It's so pretty. I can't wait to like take cool pictures and stuff. And there's actually not a lot of people here because it's like 10 a.m. So that's awesome. We're getting in the water. It's so nice. Oh my god.
I remember how you said that sometimes it gets just a little hard being home. The sounds stuck in my bed and memories in my head. Love, I've been trying to let this whole thing go. See, it was late, I dropped you home cause we were sober. And you said, well, why don't you stay? I said, love, it's just a little late for you to be seeing me this way. You see, I put my guard up and guess you let me down. No, but you can't blame that I wasn't always around. See, I put my guard up because they were the ones who run away. Run away.
the palm tree made a shadow, so then, you know, when it's against you, it's really cool, but no shadow right now. I'm just going to go take her pictures.
To pick my poison. You hurt me so good, so good. Maybe that's the reason I stay. Oh, wrong way.
So it's only 2:15 and we're done with the beach. My cousins all went to this thing really close by. It's like an attraction. I don't even know what it is. But my brother went with them, and now it's just my sister and I and my parents. So I think we're just gonna do some shopping around. And somehow I'm all changed. I don't really like to go into change rooms because the weight and stuff. So we just kind of changed here. I can't wait to go to the stores because I love those kind of stores just to buy like hoodies or a shirt. I kind of want a long shirt that you can wear to the beach. So we stopped at Publix to get my favorite ice cream. So this is the shop I was talking about. I love these little cute surfer shops, and that shirt, super cute. This is actually unreal. I've never seen this big of a swimsuit selection before, and they're all so cute. So I found this shirt. I really like the color. It's like, it's blue, but not even like really dark blue, and my sister really likes the yellow one. They're the same though. We bought stuff. She copied me with the exact same shirt in a different color. No. And we're at another surf shop. I love these so much.
Well, I need these kisses like they're free. Her voice sings to me when I hear her calling.
We're back home. My sister and I are wearing our matching shirts. And hopefully we can do something fun tonight with the cousins because they just got back. So I talked to my friend for a little bit, and now I'm gonna go to my cousins. Everyone's there already. So she wants to upload a photo on Instagram, and we're playing cards. Oh! Yay!
I hear her calling. She gives me kisses like she needs me, and it's so sweet because I know that she does. But I need these kisses like they're free. Her voice sings to me.
So this is the movie by the pool. I didn't know it was actually gonna be by the pool. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. You're scaring me. No. 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 Okay.
And I hear her calling, and I hear her calling, and she gives me kisses like she needs me, and it's so sweet because I know that she does. See, I give her my guard up and guess you let me down. No, but you can't blame that. I wasn't always around. Say, give her my guard up because
Hey guys, so I'm gonna end my vlog for today here. Thanks for watching. It's like 11 at night. We are so wild. I love this time. 11. It's 11. Like